dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my Boxy charm for the month of June. I'm super excited. Every time this box comes in, I get so excited to see what products I'm going to be getting for this month. This month was definitely another good one. And let me show you guys what I got in my Boxy charm. So the first thing that I received in my box was this beautiful summer palette. This is the Eyeliner Cosmetics, and I've already used it, of course. So I'm also going to be reading you guys what it says. It gives you like this little card that tells you all about the products and their prices. This has such beautiful colors in it. Definitely colors that you would use for summer. This palette retails for $28, and this is Kathleen's Faves. Kathleen Lights, she's another big YouTuber. This is one of her favorite palettes, and I mean, it's definitely probably going to be one of mine because the colors are so pigmented, so beautiful. I would definitely use this a lot this summer. The next product is the lashes, which I have on right now. And they came in this box. These are the Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes. I've never heard of these lashes before. They're super natural, super lightweight. Definitely lashes that you could use if you're a beginner. They come in this really cute golden box. And you'll see later on in the video what they look like with the lashes inside of them. So make sure to keep watching. And these retail for $28 as well. I think that is so amazing that you get these high-end products for just $21 for the box. You definitely are missing out if you're not subscribed to Boxy Charm. The next one is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I haven't used this yet, but I am planning to. It smells really nice. You get this little, it looks like a travel size jar, but this is the Bum Bum Cream inspired by Brazilians. This retails for $10, and I'll definitely be using this. It definitely smells really tropical, like coconut, the beach. Definitely screams summer. The next products, definitely one of my favorite products, is these Luxie brushes. They're 3-piece flawless complexion brushes. It came in this little Luxie bag, which I already used them for the video. But this one is a foundation brush. This one is a highlighter brush, and then you get the duo fiber brush, which I have not used yet. These are for highlight and foundation, but I use them for other things. As you could tell, I used it for bronzer and blush. They're super fluffy, super soft. I always love the Luxie brushes that come in Boxy Charm. I tried Luxie for the first time through my subscription, so I'm really happy that I found Luxie because I really like their brushes. And the last product is what I have on my lips. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and it is in the shade Verona, and it is just a pretty nude brown tone liquid lipstick. I can't talk today. And I really like this. It looks very nice on my skin tone, and it can go with pretty much any look that you create. And that retails for $21. The brushes, excuse me, I forgot to mention, they retail for $42. So if you guys want to see how I created this look using all of these Boxy Charm products, then please keep watching, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first color in this palette I'm going to be taking in the crease is this color, and it's called Cocoa Taxi. And I'm just going to pick it up on a fluffy brush. Any fluffy blending brush that you have. This is the Morphe M576, but any one that you have will do. This color is like super bright. The next shade that I'm picking up is this beautiful orange shade. This is called Tropico. And I'm loving how bright these colors are looking so far. And we're gonna just put that right in the crease. We're gonna go back in with that first shade, the Cocoa Taxi, and we're just gonna make sure that these two colors blend in nicely. So just work backwards and make sure everything is nice and blended. Next, I'm going to be taking this darker shade right here, and this one I can't really pronounce, but I think it's called Guatanamarea. I think that's how you say it. So I'm going to be taking this and putting that right in the crease just to darken up a little bit. So now I'm going to be taking some of my concealer and I'm just going to be placing that right on the beginning part of my lid to get ready for the shimmer shade. And I'm just taking some Tarte Tape Shape on a flat synthetic brush, and we're just going to carve out. So now that we're ready for our lid color, I'm going to go ahead and take this shimmer shade, which is called El Malecon. I think that's how you say it. And it is this pretty shimmery beige tone glitter shade. And we're going to go ahead and pick that up with a flat synthetic brush. You guys already know I love to use this to pack on my colors on the lid. And I'm going to spray it with a little bit of setting spray just to wet the brush a little bit. You can use whatever setting spray that you have. And we're going to go ahead and pick that up. And we're going to place that right on the lid. Wow guys, this is super pigmented. So now that we have the lid shade on, I'm gonna go back in and take Tropical, and we're gonna go ahead and just like go into the crease and detail it. Make sure everything is nice and blended. And then we're gonna take that Guatanamarea, however you say it. We're gonna take that shade and kind of just go over the ends, that way you can blend it in with that shimmer shade. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my wing liner using this Pretty Vulgar black liner, another goodie that I got from my Boxy charm. A lot of my really good products that I love to use are from Boxy charm. That's why I love it so much. And then I'm also using this eyeliner brush, also from Boxy charm. This is the Aesthetica eyeliner brush. So we're gonna go ahead and just grab some product. I like to grab some product, close the lid, because if you just leave the lid off, then it's going to dry up faster. So I always replace the lid and then I just take out some product and place it on the back of my hand like so. And I just work from my hand. I use my hand as my canvas. bam, wing is on and done. So easy, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the lashes. So these are the Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes. They are super simple. They feel very soft. These, I believe, are mink lashes. They are 3D multi-layered silk lashes to enhance your look with moderate length, adding length to your lashes. They are 100% silk and they have impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on. They're super natural compared to what I usually go for. I usually use these Ardell 203s, and look at how thick those are compared to these. So I don't know, I just like a big thick lash. That's just me. But I'm gonna go ahead and try these since I'm using my Boxy charm, and who knows, maybe I will fall in love with these. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put these on real quick, and I will be right back. So I went ahead and just did the rest of my face. Since you guys already know the main things that I do as far as foundation, powder, contour, and all that. I haven't contoured or anything yet, but I went ahead and just did my foundation and concealer and powder. Right now I am baking because I need to do my under eyes. I like to do them first, the color on my bottom lash line, and then I like to sweep away the powder just in case there's any fallout. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this darker shade. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it, so I'm just gonna take it on a angled brush, and we're gonna put that right on the bottom lash line. Then I'm going to take a small fluffy angled brush, and we're gonna take the color Tropicano. Is it Tropicano? Oh no, Tropico, excuse me. And we're gonna take that orange shade, and we're gonna just go right underneath and buff that out. These oranges are super pretty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dust off the powder that I was using to bake. Now I'm gonna go ahead and contour and bronze. I like to bronze more than contour just to warm up the face. And for that, I'm gonna be using one of these new brushes that were in the box. This is I'm gonna use, should I use this one? No, I'm gonna use this one. This one is the highlighter tapered brush, but I don't want to use this for highlights. I like to use a smaller brush for a highlight. This is just a little too big. I mean, you can use this definitely for highlight, not saying that it won't work, but I'm going to use this for contour just because it's really nice and fluffy. So I'm going to go ahead and get my bronzer, and I'm going to be using the same Too Faced. This is the Chocolate Soleil in Deep Tan, and I'm just going to use this to warm up my face. For blush, I'm going to be using my Morphe 9N palettes, I believe. Yeah, 9N. And I use this thing so much, it's all busted up. But we're going to just take a, let me see. I'm going to take this shade right here. It has a little bit of shimmer in it as well, just like a tiny bit, but I'm going to take that on the Luxie brush that came in the box. This is the foundation brush, but this is really fluffy. I could use this for a blush as well, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop that right on my cheeks. Really, with brushes, whatever you think that it could be used for, you can use it for that. You don't really have to go by the rule on what it says on the brush. I always just use whatever I think will work. So now for highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face first. You guys already know. Unless you're new here, you don't know. I spray my face first and then I go ahead and go in with my highlighter. For highlighter today, I'm gonna be using this Purr. Also, I got this from Boxy Charm. And I love the highlights that it comes with. I'm gonna be using this shade right here, and it is called Trailblazer. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray first. That way the product can stick a lot better. And then what I've been using is just a fluffy small brush. I like this better than using a bigger one, just because I can precisely put the highlight exactly where I want it. And I'm also going to take a small pointed little brush and I'm going to get right in the corners. This is going to just make your eyes pop. And I'm also going to add it right in the brow, on top of the brow bone. For my brows, all I did was fill it in with some powder and called it a day. Then I'm going to spray it one more time. Taking my sponge on the clean side, I go right on top of it just to help it melt in my skin. This is also going to get rid of that powdery look that sometimes it could leave behind. For lips today, I'm going to be using the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This also came in the box. This is in the shade Verona. And I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with NYX in London. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. This color is super pretty. I love this color. I would definitely be using this a lot. And that is it for this Boxy Charm Caribbean Queen look. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful summer look that I created using all of my Boxy Charm products. And before you leave, make sure to give me a thumbs up and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.